Hello friends, welcome to Adoriva. In today's video, we will look about Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiation against RACE 2020. Before that, want to get more details as such? Then click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon beside it so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get into the video. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates RACE 2020. RACE stands for Responsible Artificial Intelligence (AI) for Social Empowerment 2020, a mega virtual summit on artificial intelligence. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (MEITY) and Niti Aayog are organizing the mega virtual summit AI from October 5th to October 9th, 2020. RACE 2020 will be a global meeting of minds to exchange ideas and chart a course for using AI for social transformation, inclusion, and empowerment in areas like healthcare, agriculture, education, and smart mobility, among other sectors. Before knowing deeper about what is RACE 2020 all about, we will first know what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is bringing a drastic changes in technological fields where it can be implemented to automate the systems for more efficiency and performance. AI is now getting used in multiple fields, from simply your mobile phone to diagnosing the diseases, providing a high performance and accurate system work with efficiency. Here we will discuss what are the major things and fields artificial intelligence is used and under process to get fully implemented and launched in upcoming years. Here we will discuss mainly about the fields or industries where AI is playing an important role helping humans to work with better performance and efficiency with the help of humans. Currently, AI is used in following things or fields: virtual assistant or chatbots. Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistants are the major examples of virtual assistant services, while automated bots answering the questions of customers are the example of AI-based chatbots working with best performance. Agriculture and farming. In agriculture sector, autonomous tractors and drone monitoring are used to enhance the productivity and the crop yield of farmlands. Robots and automated machines are also used in these fields to monitor the health condition of crop and harvesting. Autonomous flying, retail, shopping, and fashion. AI-based automated warehousing management system is not only getting benefits, but machine learning is improving the online shopping experience of the customers. This technology is also providing the insights or the customers to companies using the sentiment analysis services to understand their customers' sentiments and offer them better products and services to gain more market share in the industry. Security and surveillance. AI-based face recognition and biometric system helping to keep track the human beings and provide them a safe zone to live. Security cameras and other surveillance equipments are widely used to keep the cities and habitats safe. Sports, analytics, and activities. Manufacturing and production, live stock and inventory management. Self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars are the other examples of AI fully integrated into such a system to make the machine work automatically while understanding the nearby surroundings and real-life scenario of the environment. Healthcare and medical imaging analysis. Similarly, in healthcare sector, AI is playing a vital role in empowering the machines to diagnose, analyze and predict the various types of disease, monitor the patient's health conditions, and help a scientist to explore the new drug discoveries and medicine development, helping people to get well soon and avoid health problems in their life. Warehousing and logistics supply chain. Automated warehousing and supply chain management is reducing the manpower and helping storage companies to manage the huge amount of stock or inventory with proper management and supply system. However, AI is possible into these things only when a model is well trained through right machine learning training data using the suitable algorithms for make it fully functional into the relevant fields. And training data for artificial intelligence is basically available for computer vision training through image annotation for creating label data. AI is now getting integrated into multiple fields, and further, there is too much scope to penetrate new fields and industries to improve their efficiency and productivity. Again, everything depends on the availability of training data of related fields. To train the algorithms and develop the right AI model can work flawlessly in respective field. Well, at the RACE 2020, delegates and experts in research, policy and innovation on artificial intelligence will join from across the globe. The summit will discuss cross-sector subjects like leveraging AI for pandemic preparedness, the impetus that is innovation places on digitization, inclusive AI, partnerships for successful innovations, etc. The RACE 2020 summit will also feature some of the most exciting startups working in artificial intelligence related fields. Startups chosen through the AI Solution Challenge will showcase the solutions in the Artificial Intelligence Startup Pitch Fest scheduled on 6th October 2020. This is a part of Government of India's continuing support to tech entrepreneurs and startups by providing exposure, recognition, and guidance. Home to the world's third largest startup ecosystem, Elite Science and Technology, institutions like the IITs, robust and ubiquitous digital infrastructure, and millions of newly minted STEM graduates every year, India is well positioned to become a global leader in the development of artificial intelligence. Industry analysts predict that AI could add up to $957 billion to India's economy by 2035. In the spirit of Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi plans to leverage AI for inclusive development, representing the country's AI for all strategy. Directed by the Prime Minister's vision, India will soon stand out in international community not just as a leader in the artificial intelligence field, but also as a model to show the world how to responsibly direct AI for social empowerment. RACE 2020 will facilitate an exchange of ideas to create mass awareness about the need to ethically develop and practice artificial intelligence. Thank you, and this is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share, and show your support for my upcoming future videos too. Thank you so much.